Did you know colors are more than just appearances? They directly affect your emotions, behavior, and decisions. A red outfit can boost your confidence. A blue wall can calm your mind, and green can improve your focus. Today, we'll explore exactly how and why colors influence our brain. Color psychology is a scientific field that studies how colors affect the brain, mind, and human behavior. Research shows that colors not only change emotions, but also influence decision-making, motivation, and even physical performance. The science of color combines cognitive psychology, neuroscience, and behavioral studies. The studies show that the color red increases energy and excitement, reduces attention to detail but speeds up reactions, and enhances feelings of power and dominance. Practical example, athletes wearing red often perform better in competitions. Also, sales ads often use red "Buy Now" buttons to trigger quick responses. Scientific studies show that blue creates feelings of calm and trust, reduces stress and blood pressure, and improves focus and analytical thinking. Example, workspaces in bedrooms often use blue. Banking websites use blue to convey trust. Researchers show that warm colors like yellow and orange increase creativity and motivation and generate feelings of happiness and positive energy. Example, classrooms and creative spaces often use these colors to stimulate and energize the mind. Studies show that green is associated with calmness and mental balance, evokes a sense of nature and mental wellness. Example, organic brands and natural products use green to convey trust and health. Purple is linked to creativity, luxury, and mystery. Pink is calming and reduces aggression and anxiety, especially in public or sports spaces. Research shows that color effects are not limited to a single color. Combinations, brightness, and intensity can create different emotions. Dark colors create a sense of weight and focus. Bright colors increase energy and creativity. Choose colors based on your mood and goals. Colors can boost productivity, creativity, and motivation. Colors influence behavior and buying decisions. Use red or orange for energy and use blue or green for calmness and concentration. Colors interact with your brain and mind. By understanding color psychology and the scientific research behind each color, you can control your environment, manage your emotions, and even make better decisions. Which color do you like most, and how does it affect you? Share in the comments and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more scientific and psychology videos.